So the loaner vehicle is gone. I just got picked up, so kind of an interesting experience. They picked up the Model X on Wednesday. Today is Sunday. I got a text from the delivery guy. Well, so first of all, I didn't get any communication from the actual service center. They just took care of things and brought the car back. But the delivery guy was going to bring it out Monday, but he texted me yesterday and he's like, look, there's another pickup in your area. Hey, we can do it early if you're okay with it on Sunday morning. So it was all good. So that worked out. But I forgot to mention the performance aspects of the vehicle. So it's the displayed maximum power output is 400 kilowatts as opposed to my 70D, which is 200 kilowatts. And the 100D Model X actually is 300 kilowatts. So it's very powerful at 400 kilowatts. And punching it in insane mode is definitely insane. I've never actually driven, no wait, have I didn't? I may have driven a ludicrous mode, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's super, super fast. It definitely tapers off in the higher speeds. So you can still get going, you can still pass somebody easily. If you're at 70, you need to punch it up to 85 or something. But the most impressive part of the acceleration is definitely on the lower end of things. And I don't have any video of that because I didn't know when I was gonna not have the car anymore. It's definitely a good marketing method to have like a fast, you know, like a demo vehicle that people are going to be excited about using and stuff like that. It definitely kind of upsells you, makes you think about like, maybe I could, you know, Model 3 performance or something like that, but I don't think I'm going to. We're fine with our current Teslas. So anyway, that's my rundown on Tesla service. Let's see, I had where did I put the paperwork? Oh yeah, there's Model X. Courtesy inspection, technician found. Ultrasound sensor in the roof applique needs to be, oh yeah, that was replace spline as per mobile request. Not sure what that is, okay. And what else did they do? Windshield wiper check. Updated windshield washer check valve. Oh, so there's an updated windshield washer check valve. Okay. Clicking noise in dash. Verified it was coming from the dash, but eventually found it coming from the right front lower. Oh, hold on, I'm going over this paper. Right front lower door area. Looking further, removing door panel, found that a pinch weld on the body was clicking. Was able to fill in gap of pinch weld to prevent noise from chassis flex. Test drove this time, no further noises. Cool. That clicking noise is actually kind of annoying. Left front wheel garnish. Okay, so you know that black trim around the wheels of the Model X? Apparently that's called garnish. That had come off in a going by a snowbank at slow speed. You need some more toast?
Yeah.
Okay. Place. Okay. What else? Nothing. Okay. All right. Sounds like they got the important stuff done. Cool. All right. I guess I gotta get toast.